Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we are building our homestead together little by little from the roots up. I'm Christy, and today we are going to be putting together our brand new Greenstalk planter. I am so excited about this project. I have been wanting a Greenstalk planter for a long time, and they had an excellent sale on Valentine's Day, so I went ahead with some of my birthday money I had left over and I purchased the Greenstalk leaf. And this leaf is 7 tiers tall, and it's going to be an excellent addition to our little container garden over here. You can see right now we have garlic planted over in this little bag. This was the first thing we planted when we moved in, and it's growing up nicely. And we have some little containers over here that we will put things in come this spring. When you open up your Greenstalk, the first thing you're going to find are these instructions, along with some other goodies. They sent some sweet basil seeds. And look at these stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. They have beautiful, beautiful stickers. And my Greenstalk was packed by Tyler. Thanks, Tyler. And a nice thank you card for choosing their small business. But the important thing for us today, right now, are these instructions. And they are nice, colorful, and easy to see and easy to understand instructions. Very step by step. And it looks like an easy process. We'll see if that bears out. And then what you can plant in them. Let's see, where's that? Right here. What you can plant in them. How many in the leaf or in the original Greenstalk. The leaf has shorter buckets on it, but you can stack it taller. The regular Greenstalk has deeper buckets, so you can plant more different kinds of things in it. So first, we'll take the Greenstalk trays out, we'll fill them with dirt, and we'll go ahead and plant them with seeds. We will stack the trays together and water it, and that's that. Let's get to unboxing. So the next question is, what are we going to fill this with? It can get really costly really fast to fill these Greenstalk planters, especially if you use really nice soil. I happen to be lucky enough to have a friend that worked at a greenhouse and gifted me some of this Happy Frog soil from Fox Farm, and it's kind of the gold standard in potting soil, and I'm really excited to use some of this. But you had to have a little over 5 cubic feet of soil to fill this whole thing, and I just went and I got the Pro Mix from Walmart because I've heard that this does great things, and it was a little over $10 for 2 cubic feet. So all together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer the Happy Frog in, so there's a little bit of the really nice potting soil in each of the tiers. All right, it is time. We have our Greenstalks full of dirt, and now it is time to plant. And I have a ton of seeds right here that we're going to plant in them. This is going to be my Greenstalk. So I've got lettuce, I've got chard, I've got spinach, I've got all sorts of fun goodies, and I will put exactly what I'm planting down in the description below so you can check out all of the seeds. But as with I did with the peppers, instead of putting individual tags, because I have a lot of variety in here, I made a map of what I'm putting where. And I'm going to take these smiley face stickers, my favorite smiley face stickers, and I'm going to put them on the front square where there's a star, so I know which direction the front is and I know which layer is which. So let's get planting. All right, we're all planted and ready to go. Now what we're going to do is take these little water trays and we're going to put them down and then stack a layer on top, and put a water tray and stack a layer, and then on the very top this water tray goes on. So let's build it. All right, so we have the whole thing together, but I wanted to show you close up what it's going to look like when we put this on. So the water tray goes on and it snaps in, and then we take this and we put it on, and you need to line up the little brackets. Down. It takes a minute sometimes for it to snap into place, but that's that. And then we take our reservoir and we put that on top. And that's all there is to it. The only thing left is for us to fill it. So let's go ahead and fill it. All right, turn me on. And this first time you water, it says to water it until the water comes out the bottom. So that's what we're waiting for. And this is all, you don't have to water the individual pots, you just water this thing, and the reservoir pulls the water down and it waters each individual little place. That's all there is to it. It's pretty simple, and now that it's up and functioning, it's pretty low maintenance. And you can plant full-grown plants in here, or you can just plant the seeds. These are ideal for leafy greens and herbs and flowers and some root vegetables. But the bigger ones, you can plant a whole lot more. They make casters for them that you can buy, so you can roll them around or spin them. They also make trellises, so you could grow beans that pole and hook to the trellises. So I can't wait to see what we can do with the Greenstalk. Thank you so much for joining us as we built this Greenstalk planter. Be sure to like this video if you got some value out of it, and subscribe to our channel to follow our journey as we build our homestead from the roots up.